trying to get in front of her and take a video of her coming at us?
Sure, I'm videoing her. Hey Peggy, give a wave. This is going on YouTube. A little scan to the lovely lady doing all this wonderful paddling for me.
Hello world. Here we are in the Adirondacks.
And where are we? We're on the Bog River flow, is that right?
This is the place to be today. Absolutely glorious. What did you call it? A thin spot?
Is this a thin spot for you?
Close to it. Not exactly right on a thin spot, but it's good. Yosemite is a thin spot for me.